Hey guys, it's Sawyer, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys these toys that are in lately, and they're called fidgets. Some of you may have heard of toys called fidgets, and some of you may not. But let's go on with the video. Okay, the first one of a fidget are these snappers, or I just call them that. I don't really know what they're called, but they're cool. See? Super long. And let me tell you a fact about these things. If they ever break like this, and they're just two pieces, all you have to do is just put them back together like this. They're hookable. They're not hookable, but they can come back together. So don't panic if your fidget breaks. It's not really technically broken. It's just, basically all you can do is just re-snap it. One of my favorites. Now the next one, I know a really popular fidget is called Poppets. So the next one's going to be one of my favorite Poppets. It's a keychain Poppet. Yeah, this one is actually a really good Poppet if you do it like this. Put it all through your fingers. Anyways, if you do it this way, it's better. So yeah, that one's a really good Poppet. Next is not going to be a Poppet, but it's a type of fidget. It's a squishy. It's very stretchy. You can just splatter on the wall, and it will just normally it just splats, but it's better on the wall. Yeah, okay, and the next fidget's going to be an infinity cube. May guys have heard of this, may have not, but these are really cool. They're not Rubik's Cubes, they're different kinds. Really cool. I got this all these fidgets that I'm going to show you, I got them all in the package except one. Okay, next one is going to be a Poppet that I got. The ones that I show you right now is the ones I got in the package, and this one too. And the next Poppet I will show you, but this is one. It's an octopus. Kind of looks like a squid. So let's get this part. I'm gonna show you guys the best part. It's so loud. This is my favorite Poppet, because it's so loud. Okay, this one's my favorite. Look, it's so cool and tie-dye. Yeah, okay, and this one is a fidget spinner, but I didn't get this one out of the package. Yeah. But let me show you guys a trick.